The whole India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and on the day of this 75th independence, we are at Accurate. Accurate Sales and Services, Indian manufacturer who is into manufacturing this coordinate measuring machine, CMM machine. And today you had an event here where you were talking about bringing quality education to the Indian youth, where they can be industry ready. So can you just let us know that about the today's event and how you see Accurate can support India in building quality skilled people for the metrology sector?
Thank you, Hari. So as you rightly said, this is the 75th year of our celebration of our independence. Incidentally, next year Accurate also celebrates 60 years since its foundation. And as a part of these two milestones, we at Accurate thought of how we can give back to the society. And so our society for us as an organization is the manufacturing world, and the role that we play in the area of quality for this manufacturing world. So as a stakeholder in this society, we thought of how do we strengthen the skills in this sector, and skills for quality, not just for quality engineers but in general for manufacturing professionals in total. We all know that there is a huge gap between what we learn in the university, college, ITI or diploma to what we practice in the industry. And today we have taken up this initiative where we as one of the stakeholder in the industry, as a producer of equipment, the user industry by themselves and the academia, all three of us are coming together and creating a platform. Thankfully, we have been supported by Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation, MKCL, who have very kindly offered us their learning management system as a platform on which we can create content for engineering professionals in the area of quality. This content will be from basics like use of simple hand tools to from one axis to two axis measurement to three axis measurement, like a CMM. In all these areas we will create content. That is one part of the activity. The second part of the activity is assessing. So delivery of the content is one aspect, but second is assessing the skills of the person and then giving him the feedback as to what are the gaps between his knowledge and the industry requirement, so that he can upgrade himself and be industry ready. So for the industry, when such a person walks onto their shop floor, he would come with something more to offer than just a degree. So that's the objective of this initiative. We will initially start it here in Pune area together with the Savitri Phule University. So today we had very good response from the board members of the syllabus for the university who have decided to participate, work together with us and to take it forward. And then we will eventually expand it outside as well.
You as an industrialist, you travel across the world and you have seen many advanced countries who are leading in manufacturing, made many courses with the industry, academy. They have a lot of synergies more than here. So what are your learnings there, and how you think that those learnings can help the industry and academy here in India?
See, one of the most important learning is that today the world of technology is very dynamic. So in 4 years time, when the engineer enters the industry to the college in his academic career, and by the time he passes out, the world has changed in the manufacturing area. Now always there is going to be some gap between these two, and what we have to find is a way to shorten this information delivery to these respective professionals, so that they are at best of their knowledge. So worldwide, these kind of initiatives are being done, even by Western countries, and they are constantly engaging on it. And the emphasis is on the knowledge, and emphasis is on the skill. So the learning aspect is more emphasized than just some form of education. And this is what we are also trying to adopt. In a country like India, we have several challenges. One is we have urban and rural divide in terms of the infrastructure. So how do we make sure that the rural engineers in the rural areas also, in fact, they are very important aspect, because they are the ones who are actually going to go definitely into manufacturing. They may not have the IT opportunities as many, but if so, then how can they be better trained and better made capable so that their career graph in the industry is also well rewarded. So that is one challenge in rural and urban. The second big challenge is the language. India is a country of 14 different official languages that we have, and if so, what English cannot be the only way to train our manufacturing professionals. I remember Satyasag, from Pragati, who took a very big initiative to bring the engineering knowledge in terms of to the all languages through their effort. And we want to do something similar in the area of quality, where if somebody wants to learn a CMM, and then he should have an ability to learn it in his language. Maybe it's Tamil, maybe it's Kannada, maybe it's Hindi for that matter, or Gujarati.
So you are telling that all these curriculums, whatever you are making, is going to be in regional languages?
Absolutely. And then it's not a big thing for the technology platform to do it. It's not a big challenge. So this platform that MKCL is done, once we develop the content, it will be available in all different languages.
So this is a great move that we are able to see that now engineering is going to more into grassroots level,
yes,
where people can learn. English definitely is a big challenge for students, especially in the rural area, where they study all their till their matriculation, and maybe in the higher secondary they study in their local language immediately.
Yes.
They are coming to be, and that is a big challenge. And I think if you are going to address that, it itself is going to be a big game change.
Yes.
So it is not that easy, I believe, in bringing all the collaborators together. I was very happy to see today at Accurate that we had people from the educational institution, we had this technology people, the IT guys, who are very good in LMS, learning management system, and then the industry also is available. How you think that this collaborative effort which you need to put up today, you did this park, and how you think that it can go to the next level?
So I was also pleasantly surprised with today's discussion, where Pune University, Savitribai Phule University, announced that they are creating a honors program in metrology, for example. And this is exactly what is required. So if you may have your major degree in one of the streams, and then if you have an honors degree simultaneously with that, I believe that's the way to go forward, and that's the way you see the US universities doing it, German universities doing it. So India is also, I'm very happy that is going in the same direction, and that's a much needed need of the industry.
And I think already Accurate is working with the Pune University and giving them a lot of support.
Yes, we have always been working very closely, not just with Pune University, but any college that is in surrounding areas. They have a free access to our facilities. They can bring their visit engineers during their courses and see what we are doing. But in addition to that, we have created small courses. For example, in the area of GD&T, in care of CMM, In fact, just today somebody was quoting me that a girl engineer from a rural area in completely outskirts of Pune got a job at an MNC company in Chakan just because she had a certificate showing that she had a 3 days course done at Accurate on CMM, and that's what they were looking for somebody who they wanted to employ as a CMM operator. And this is exactly what we have been saying, that if such a candidate works with a special skills that he carries which are required by the industry, then his primary degree, the percentage and everything sometimes becomes secondary, and these skills enable him as for a job.
That's where we call them industry-ready engineers.
Exactly.
That's what I think.
Exactly.
Congratulations to Accurate that you are empowering people, and by 3 days of certificate, 3-day crash course certificate, a girl is able to get employed. This is something amazing.
And this is, I think, not just our credit, but also the respective college who did that, engineering college under SPU, who did that together.
Today it was very interesting to find already 4 such honorary certificate courses. The SPPU have started, Pune University have started, where they need more industries to come and participate in the programs what they are creating for the industry. I would like also to understand more about, today you are talking about Accurate Center for Quality Excellence. So which is also going to be one platform which will be driving the collaborative initiative. So if you can just put some light on that.
Accurate Center for Quality Excellence, ACQE, is a Section 8 company, and this is the platform on which we intend to bring various stakeholders in the area of skill development. Our primary focus right now is in the quality area, irrespective of the process. So be it machining or forming or welding, or in each of these areas, our initial target is to focus in the quality area aspects and create content on this platform. And we will be looking at a collaborative approach. So Accurate has taken this step in the field of geometric, in the field of metrology, because that's where we are. But in other areas, like NDT is there, many other areas are there, and we expect that similar companies will come forward and use this platform, which NKCL has very kindly offered for this project. So it's a remarkable milestone that the university, a knowledge development corporation like MKCL, and a domain expert like Accurate are coming together to take this forward.
Today what we have witnessed today at Accurate on this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is putting a small seed for a very bigger initiative which can help thousands and thousands of people in this country, especially the rural India, where Vikram sir is planning, he would like to empower, he would like to support them. We from Machine Maker offers all the support, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much, Hari.